I'm going to show you how to download and install Orange software, an amazing tool for data mining and machine learning. Orange is popular among data scientists, students and AI enthusiasts because of its simple drag and drop interface. First, open your browser and search for the Orange Data Mining tool in Google. The first result should be the official Orange Data Mining website. You can also go directly to orangedataMining.com. Once you're on the homepage, click on Download Orange. Always check for the latest version when you download. Windows, macOS or Linux, Orange is available for all platforms. I'll show you how to install it on Windows. For Windows users, click on the Windows version and your download will start. It might take a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, let's walk through the installation process. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation. The installer will open and you'll see a prompt. Just click Next. For most users, just choose Install Just for Me. This way you won't need administrative privileges to install add-ons later. Keep clicking Next through the setup steps and then click Install. Now here's the important part. If you don't already have Miniconda or Python installed on your system, Orange will prompt you to install it. Just click OK to install Miniconda and this will let you run Orange Python based scripts. Follow the same steps as before, click Next, choose Just for Me and make sure you've selected the option that says Register Miniconda as the default Python 3.9. Then click Install. Once it's finished installing, Orange will automatically continue its installation process. Just wait a few more minutes and you're almost there. Click Next and then Finish. Orange will now open for the first time. It might take a little time to load initially, but once it's up you'll see the Orange user interface. And that's it, you're ready to start exploring.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.